वेलकम टू ईडू फार्मा एक्सपर्ट। नमस्कार दोस्तों। तो आज का टॉपिक है मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिक्स फर्स्ट का कोड है BP103T फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर। बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो कि रहेंगे 10 मार्क्स, 7 मार्क्स और 2 मार्क्स की, जो कि प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर से सेलेक्ट किया गया ये क्वेश्चन है 10 मार्क्स, 7 मार्क्स और 2 मार्क्स के। सबसे हम पहले बात करने वाले हैं इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन 10 मार्क्स के बारे में। नंबर 1, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाई फार्माकोपिया, राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट ऑन IP and BP। नंबर 2, what do you understand by the prescription? What are the different part of prescription? Draw a sample for prescription. 3. Define suspension. What is flocculated and deflocculated suspension? What is difference parameter used for evaluation of suspension? 4. Write a descriptive note on therapeutic and physical incompatibility with example. 5. Write a note on history of pharmacy in India. 6. What are different excipient used in liquid dosage form? 7. Define emulsion. Discuss their method of preparation, stability problem and method to overcome these problems. 8. Discuss the mechanism and feature influencing dermal penetration of drug. 9. Define posology. Discuss various factors affecting posology. Calculate the doses for the children, one with 8 years, second with age 8 months and third with body weight 15 pounds. If adult dose of a drug is 120 mg. 10. Classify semi-solid dosage form. What are the various factors affecting dermal penetration? Discuss the method of preparation of paste. Important question, 7 marks. Discuss briefly about history of pharmacy in India. Second, define prescription. What are the various part of prescription? Number 3, how many gram of drug is needed to make 5 liter of in 1 in 500 solution? 4. Calculate the volume of 95% alcohol required to prepare 300 ml of 70% alcohol by the alligation method. 5th, elaborate on dusting powder as pharmaceutical dosage form. 6. Discuss physical incompatibility with suitable example. 7. What are the various methods of preparation of cream? 8. Define powder. Write a short note on dusting powder and effervescent powder. 9. Differentiate between mouthwash and gargle to lotion and liniment. 10. What is the difference option as a carrier in pharmacy? 11. Define suppository. Explain about the ideal base for the suppository. 12. Explain various scope of pharmacy. 13. Give the formulation and method of preparation of syrup in detail. 14. What are different solubility enhancement technique? Explain in detail. 15. What is gel? Discuss the method for the evaluation of the semi-solid dosage form. Important question, 2 marks. Number 1. In which year does the most recent edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia has been published and how many volumes does this latest edition contain? 2. Who is considered as the father of pharmacy education in India? 3. When a solution can be termed as isotonic. 4. Name one antimicrobial preservative and an antioxidant used in liquid dosage form. 5th, what do you mean by the term self-preserving? Give 2 example of self-preserving dosage form. 6. Differentiate between syrup and elixir. 7. State Freitas and Clark formula. 8. How co-solvent improve solubility. 9. Determine 80% volume by volume alcohol in term of pure spirit. 10. List the last 3 edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia. 11. What are humescent? Give example. 12. Explain HLV system and Bancroft rule. 13. What do you understand by the blooming of suppository? 14. What do you understand by the symbol RX and signature in prescription? 15. Name 2 non-aqueous solvent used in liquid dosage form. 16. What do you mean by the displacement value? 20. Name 2 bases used in preparing ointment. ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट के क्वेश्चन के साथ। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।